Greetings and welcome to Unispirical Muse, brought to you by One Spirical Love. So today is Sunday, and basically it's time I grocery shop once a month, and I cook food once a week. So when I make my morning juice, I basically want 16 ounces of juice every morning on the way to work. So my juice today consists of jackfruit, carrot, red cabbage, grapefruit, apple, orange, apple cider vinegar, shaved coconut. And then you got to have your herbs, right? So you're going to have chamomile, protein powder, green, super green. That's this one. So basically it's like seaweed, all right? It's your omega-3. Then you got your cocoa powder, moringa powder, lavender, immune boost. So when I go to the herbal store, I get the immune boost tea, and then they mix it all up. And it's got in there, what do you call it? A bunch of goodies. Lemon balm, oats, chamomile, slippery elm. So yeah, you just need to get the immune boost herbal tea blend. And then we got flaxseed, chia seed, sesame seed, and turmeric. Because you want all your goodies in there. You want pack a punch. So as I said before, this is the seeds. Flaxseed, chia seed, and sesame seeds. Sesame seeds will turn your carbs into energy. So yeah, you want to be packed full. And the apple cider vinegar is all gone now, so we're going to get some more. And so this is one batch, and this is another batch. So I'm trying out, like I said, I'm trying out some trace mineral. So you're going to put, here it says to put 1 teaspoon, some half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put 1.5 to this, because this is 3 days, because this is a 5-day serving of juice mixed together. This is 1 teaspoon. So we're going to add 3 teaspoons of 40,000 volts, because it's your electrolytes. You get your potassium, your magnesium, your salt, all those goodies in there. And that goes in there. And a friend of mine told me about this Vitamix. So I'm like, okay, it's probably just like all the other blenders out there, right? The jackfruit, I got a whole one at the international market. Cut that puppy up. It killed my food processor. Holy schlamp. Well, there goes that, and I use it constantly. I'm going to cut up, once a month. I'm going to cut up 10 pounds of carrots. I'm going to do this and this. I do bulk. This is why I do it once a month. So this Vitamix actually worked on the jackfruit. It didn't kill this particular blender, so even though I had to pay more money than I normally would, it did the job. So if anything can actually go through jackfruit, keep that machine. It's definitely worth it. So there's your morning juice, and life is love. Blessings from Reverend Lewis, and thank you for your support.